Mommy just pray for me. Say your prayer cover me from the enemy. This plant, yeah, I don't like how the leaves are yellowing up, you know.
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
So I'll go and move it and see what will become of it. Not sure here if it's overwatered. So I'm going to just remove it and let it drain and see what's happening. So this plant is called peppermint, you know, but I realize the leaves are a bit yellow. You know, this is how it should look, you know. Hope is so just remove it, overwatering, and the roots are not rot, or you know what will become of it. Disease. But I'm just going to see what. Herbal loss family and herb for tea. Yeah man, I was just watering the plants and see this turmeric plant slum a bit. So I'm gonna check, you know, I'm gonna just reap the turmeric. So I'm gonna reap, let's reap it together. Ginger, herbal fam, you know, I thought this was ready, but then I realized that it wasn't in enough soil. It was right here, you know, so it's not ready, but it wasn't in enough soil. So I'm going to try and dig the hole a bit deeper and plant it back, you know. Yeah, stay tuned. So I dig a deeper hole. So I'm going to plant it back, you know, see if, you know, it can survive. Hope removing it don't get the plant shock. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I plant it back, magical fam. I try to put it a bit more deeper in the soil. So let us stay tuned, you know. So if and when this is ready, I'll give you an update. Yeah, thanks for watching. Magical fam, this one hold me. I found two little pieces of turmeric in the root of this, but when I remove the plant, it looked like ginger. Why that one bowl me? You know, thought it was turmeric plant, but it looked like ginger. And I found some turmeric, few pieces of turmeric in the earth. Trust me, that one bowl me. But as I said, I plant it a bit deeper because it never really ready. It's because it wasn't in enough soil, so it wasn't ready. Yeah man, but that one bowl me, herbal family. Yeah man, because I knew I plant turmeric, but boy, it seemed like ginger. can't remember planting ginger, but maybe. So if someone out there know, you know, what ginger plant look like and what turmeric plant look like, you know, you could just leave a comment in the comment section to tell me if this plant is ginger or turmeric. You know, it more look like ginger to me. I also find a few pieces of turmeric in the same area. You know, so as I said, I can't remember if I had planted ginger. You know, but yeah, we learn every day. You know, we learn every day. We learn every day. Yeah. So that's in today's episode. Yeah. And also in my bath, you know, the color will seed up. So I'm just allowing them to fully seed up and then I replant, you know. So I'm just saving these for the seeds. Yeah, and then I replant them. Yeah, man. So that's a little update for today. You know, peppermint. You know, yeah. Part of the update. So when you are planting herbs and vegetables, you have to observe, you know, and understand how much sunlight the plants need, you know, and how much shade the plants need. Yeah, man, so that's the update. That's the update for today. Also replanted this rosemary plant yesterday, you know. Yeah, so welcome to the Herbal Laws YouTube channel, you know. And in today's video, you know, I just wanted to share, you know, an update on my peppermint plant. You know, as I was showing earlier, that where it was, this is how it looked. The leaves get yellow, you know, so I remove it and put it, you know, somewhere else and watching it to see what will become of it. It was the same issue I was having with this mint plant, you know, and since I remove it, you know, give it, you know, half sun, half shade, you know, it start to look better. The leaves were like this, and then the leaves are coming like this now, you know. So I'm going to try and see if, you know, this one could show some form of progress. Yeah, man. Peppermint, our Jamaican peppermint, you know. When you have this in your backyard garden, and sometime back in the days you wake up, you could just afford a cup of tea and a slice of bread before you go to school, you know. So it's all about observing the plants, you know, and see what type of climate they can manage, you know. This one same way, but since moving it, it's looking back beautiful. This plant now is called a fresh cut, you know. When you pick the leaves, it have no smell, you know, but my grandmother gave me this plant, you know, and say it's a plant that they had used in their younger days, if they get like a cut, a bruise, you know, they would use this plant to rub on that cut, that bruise, you know, and it would heal. Yeah man, so it is called fresh cut. Yeah. Also in today's video, you know, in this pot I had some French thyme, you know, and it was overgrown, so I just replanted a few little plants in the pot. So that's an update. Yeah, some time ago I did a video where I set some okra seed. So this is what the okra seeds look like. Yeah, okra seeds. Yeah man, so I'll continue to give you updates on these plants, you know. Yeah, tarragon plant looking so beautiful. Yeah man, sage plant. So herbal family, it's always a pleasure. You know, thanks for watching. You know, just a small update, you know, on my peppermint plant. You know, and a small update on the okra plants, and also the callaloo bed in the whole bath, you know, and also sharing the experience, you know. Thought I was, you know, reaping turmeric, and then on reaping it seemed like ginger, you know. So it's my pleasure to share, you know, my experience in my herb garden, you know, and also sharing the experience and also sharing the experience that I'm having with my peppermint plant, you know. So yeah, if someone know, you know, what this plant need, whether it need more shade, or there is something that the plant need, yeah man, you can leave it in the comment section. If you had experienced something like this before, what did you do, you know? So you can share it. Yeah man, so see you in another one. Herbal Laws out.